what's in season this winter. Check out my latest podcast on Spotify, Let Food Be Thy Medicine, and you will know all the fresh, delicious vegetables and fruit that's in season this winter to prevent us from getting sick, from ailments, and just nurturing our body, our soul, and our family. Beautiful, delicious produce for all of us at our local market. Look at that rapini, absolutely organic kale behind that. The fresh apples, pears, cauliflower, cabbage, broccoli, leeks, turnips. There are so many wonderful vegetables. Look at those pears, delicious. Delicious, all from the local farm. Go and check out your local market gardener.